Conventionality dictates that a boat video starts at the back of the boat and works slowly to the front. I'm on board the Galeon 510 Sky here. Now this is not a boat that is conventional in any way, so I thought it right that we should start here in the middle of the boat, and I'm sat at the bar on one of these huge balconies facing inwards. It's just about perfect. My name's Ashley Overton, I'm from Argo Yachting, and we're here aboard the Galeon 510 Sky in Mallorca. The boat's just arrived here, and it's a great chance for somebody to take over and have some fabulous adventures on this in the Balearics or even beyond. I want to show you today some of the highlights of this boat and why I feel it's anything but conventional, and to prove that claim. It's from Galeon. Galeon are really the innovators that I've never seen the like of before. 30 years I've been selling boats and involved in the boat industry, and there's no one that's ever come close to them in terms of innovation and changing the rule book about how a boat should look and how we should use them. That's what I want to show you here today. For decades, powerboats have had a lovely cockpit seating, but always facing into the cockpit. If you're a follower of our channel, you'll remember that Tony Castro, the designer of the Galeon 510 and many other boats, talked to us about the great idea of being able to look at your anchorage and look out to sea rather than looking at your furniture.
We thought about why on earth are we always looking at the patio door?
Yeah, when the view is that way.
when the view is often that way, is that?
Yeah.
So,
So
One pull of a lever and the whole cockpit area can spin round, and there you go. You've got this fabulous seating. You can look at your anchorage, you can look at the scenery behind you rather than looking into your boat, and whoever's having fun in the water, you're watching them and enjoying the atmosphere that they're creating right here. It's absolutely perfect. And while we're at the back of the boat, let's not forget this amazing bathing platform. When it deploys, integrated steps open up and form a wonderful staircase down to a fantastic area. And what a fantastic launch pad for your stand-up paddleboard, for your sea bob, or whatever other water toys everyone wants to play with whilst they're enjoying this superb bay that you've anchored up in. Here on the starboard side, yet another one of these famous balconies that Galeon have made their signature. We have a seat here that, rather than looking in, is looking out. So you can see out to sea from this starboard side. You've got the balcony down, so you've got plenty of space to enjoy it and lounge out. But if you really want, this even becomes a daybed, and it's very, very relaxing. There are plenty of 50-foot Flybridge boats that can sleep 6 people, maybe 8. That can seat 6 or 8 people, but it can't cater for 6 or 8 people. Look at this thing. It's a complete wrap-round galley. It's got big oven, fridge, dishwasher. It's got plenty of storage space. You've got a proper working galley here that you can use to cater for the amount of people on board. Wonderful. Galeon's main saloon area. I'll start with 2 big sliding doors, which give you the bar on one side and this lovely seating area looking outboard on the other side. As we walk forward, a large dining area. Big space above you, lots of light coming in through the sunroof. This sofa turns round from the helm seat, so you can seat not 4 or 6 people here, but 8 or 10. The lower helm position, a much debated point on Flybridge boats. Does it get used? Only maybe if it's raining. This one is a little bit different though. There is a vast sunroof above me here, vast, that opens up. And when it's open, you can feel the breeze as you're going along. You can be in touch with what's outside. This is different. This is special. This is Galeon. Down below, we have 3 cabins. Nothing too different in how they've been laid out, but I will say 2 words to you: space and light. And everything in all 3 cabins and 2 heads scream space and light. We have a bunk cabin starboard side. We have a wonderful VIP guest cabin up forward here. It has direct access ensuite into this bathroom. Again, it's an enormous bathroom, a shower that even I can fit in, and a wonderful access from here too, so that you can get to it as a day heads. This, I said, is a VIP cabin. It's not the master cabin. That takes some believing, but I'm going to show you the master cabin because that's quite special. When you talk about wow factor, this master cabin really has it. And Galeon have been very clever. Not only have they given the cabin a full beam setup, but they've got plenty of light. These enormous windows, look at them. They just give you so much light and such a great vista on what's going on outside. But it's not all about the space inside this boat either, in this cabin. They've been very clever. This is not just a little vanity unit. It's a big one. It's got proper seating. I can sit here and I'm not squeezed up against the bed. It's got a light that comes up behind the mirror. Everything's been thought through beautifully. It's a large bed. They haven't compromised on the size of the bed. This is a very big double bed. And the cupboard space behind, well, there's plenty of room in there to hang your dresses, your suits, whatever else you want to take on your holiday. This is a really special, special master cabin. The Flybridge. It's very much everything that you would normally want to see on a Flybridge. But this is where Galeon magic really steps ahead. This helm unit drops down at the touch of a button. The seat closes down. These backrests fold into the bases, and you get a flat area here from which you can then cover the whole area with an electric cover that closes it in. That's just genius. It means that you don't have to worry about putting covers on everything. It means that if you don't want to use the Flybridge one day because it's bad weather, you can just leave it closed and you don't have to worry about anything up here. You can store bits and pieces up here and know that it's safe and covered. It's just very, very clever. One more area I want to show you before we close this video, and that's up the bow, because that is, again, super special. And here we are on the bow. Galeon proving again that they are the innovators in the world of boats. Here we are. It's not just a couple of seats or a large sunbathing area up here. You can sit 6 or 8 people round this table, and a proper table. This is fabulous. And underneath, they've still kept the light pouring in to the cabin below, the VIP cabin below. That's just so clever. And when you need it, like the Flybridge, these backrests fold into the bases. So no problems with covering this area up quickly when you've had enough. So for a family, this is a fantastic choice. Whether you're with your family or with friends, there's plenty of space, there's plenty of socializing areas. The cabins are wonderful, bright, spacious. The balconies do it all. And then there's this wonderful bathing platform on the back with the rotating seat, which means that you can just be part of everything that's going on, even if you're not in the water with them. I think it's quite a special boat that they've built here. I've shown you some highlights of the boat and the things that excite me about it. But really, if you want to find out more information, go to our website. Full details are there. It'll tell you the spec, the options that are on the boat, and it'll tell you, and it will surprise you, with the price as well. So have a look at the spec, have a look at our website, and then give us a call. And please, come and visit us and see this boat for yourself.